guys, and welcome to another edition of Poor Man's Black Rifle. Today I'm going to bring to you a gun cleaning kit brought to you by KM Tactical, kmtactical.net. Kyle Murphy, the owner, and Jeremy Squires, his right-hand man there. Inside there, I've kind of disassembled a lot of stuff. You'll have a solvent bag, and you get 5 choices of barrel cleaning brushes to push through brush rods. And you also get this, one end is threaded and the other end is not. You push that out, pull through, push back in, pull it back down to the stop. And what we're going to do here is we're going to drop this down through here into our barrel where it drops down, and we're going to attach our .22 caliber, and we're going to give it a pull so we can be sure we can see this. And that is as simple it is as cleaning it. You could probably also attach any kind of buffering, any kind of wadding on there to pull that back through. But anyways, that is from kmtactical.net. I know they're doing a big sale on those right now, so if you get on over there, I know they're offering a special to PMBR members. So if we could get on over there and buy a few of these, I think Kyle's even going to give away quite a few of them. That is kmtactical.net. And that's a pretty nifty little portable gun cleaning kit. Thanks a lot, Kyle Murphy.